Hello everyone and welcome back to another What I Eat in a Day. I know it's been a while, there's been some major life changes. A, I moved, as we can see from the background. It's been a busy few weeks. And B, I got a puppy, which I'm gonna show you her in a second. She's currently trying to eat my baseboards. So there's been a lot, but we're back with the videos. I thought I would kick it off the new year with a What I Eat in a Day, showing you guys some really healthy, easy, delicious meals and recipes. I do mainly paleo, but like I don't really like labels, so I'm gluten-free, mainly grain-free, dairy-free, refined sugar-free, but like everything I eat is easy and delicious and everything like that. So let's say hello to the new puppy. Hi. Do you want to say hi to the camera? Yeah, you do. Everybody, this is Akasha. She is, what, 11 weeks old now, golden retriever. Oh, yeah, I know, very exciting. If any of you guys, have had a puppy, come here, you know that they are definitely a handful. Look here, come here, look, say hello. Yeah, the sleep has not happened, like maybe 4 hours sleep the last few weeks. Obviously they're a handful, and then like Christmas and holidays, it's just been a lot, guys. So yeah, I'm excited for you guys to meet her, though she is like, she's so cute, but she is definitely like a menace because she's a puppy. She likes to chew everything, eat everything, bite me, bite things. So we are definitely adjusting to puppy life, but that really shows you like the meals I make, you can make when you're like still working out, Akasha, and like have a puppy, or like basically because it's like having a newborn. And they're all like easy and delicious. So we're gonna start off with breakfast, and I'm gonna make a warm chia porridge. Now, you guys know I'm a big fan of like my paleo porridge. This is kind of like a modification on that doesn't use almond flour, that uses kind of more, I would say, basic ingredients, but it's still warm and nourishing, especially when it is cold outside now. It is really good for our digestion to be having meals that are warm or cooked, as opposed to raw or cold things. So like smoothies or, you know, yogurt and granola too much. Warm is just better for your digestion because it doesn't deplete your vital like energy and your vital like chi force, according to Chinese medicine, but also it makes it easier on digestion. So it is what? It is 10? It is 10 a.m. We are going to make breakfast. I do generally follow intermittent fasting, so I stopped eating around 6 yesterday, and now it's 10, and I'm gonna eat breakfast as she is chewing my slipper. So for our porridge, we're gonna be making a blend of flax, hemp hearts, and chia, and then some vanilla for some flavor, and of course almond milk just to make it like a porridge. And I'm gonna top it with some organic blueberries, and probably some cinnamon, maybe some almond butter, I'll see. But this is what's gonna make the base of our porridge. Somebody wants to say hello. Yeah, she does. So this is my breakfast, guys. This is like the warm porridge. I topped it with blueberries, almond butter, and bee pollen. Bee pollen is really great because it has tons of, tons of B vitamins in it. And look how like warm and gooey it looks. So it's 1:30 now, time for lunch. Honestly, I'm hungry, but I was doing work and then I should have stopped earlier, but I'm hungry. Anyways, we're about to have lunch. I'm gonna make some tuna burgers. They're really easy to make. You just need like canned tuna, coconut flour, some seasoning, herbs if you have it, and then I'm gonna like put some roasted zucchini in the oven to have with that, and probably throw on some kind of sauce or general to make like my little meal. So we're gonna whip that up now. So I'm gonna chop my zucchini first, get that in the oven so we can start cooking, and then for the tuna burgers, it's like literally a can of tuna. I always get wild tuna. Make sure, Phil, focus. Make sure to always get wild tuna, and then you need an egg. Oh, I need to get the coconut flour. Some coconut aminos, garlic salt, and then the coconut flour. And again, we have a very curious little one over here. So we have the tuna burgers, the ribbon zucchini. I added some steamed broccoli, sumac, salt. Oh, yeah. Anyways, we're gonna try to dig in without the puppy eating everything. So I'm gonna take a little bit of an afternoon break and drink some cacao. If you guys don't know, I'm a big fan of cacao, like ceremonial grade cacao. I will leave the link to join the next cacao ceremony if you want to for January on the new moon. It's January 12th. The theme is gonna be manifest. Anyways, we do sound healing, meditation, we drink ceremonial cacao. I lead you through intention setting, manifesting, all that kind of stuff. It's honestly so much fun. It's free. So come hang out and do cacao. But cacao A is great because it's loaded with magnesium and theobromine, which is a bliss chemical, and antioxidants. But ceremonial cacao also really helps to open your heart chakra up, to open your heart up, to connect you more with yourself and your heart, and also connect with higher consciousness. So I like to make it and I put on some either like breathwork type music or anything kind of like Reiki infused music, and I will kind of like sit and just be present and mindful and take that break from the day, because I can be very guilty of being like go, 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 and not taking a moment to like slow down, be present, and enjoy. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I should also mention the time. It is almost 3 o'clock, so we're gonna do that. I'm gonna make the cacao. I use Keith's cacao. He is like the OG shaman of cacao, so I highly recommend Keith's if you're looking for a good ceremonial cacao, or if you live in Canada, KAKO, that one is really good as well. And it comes like a paste, like a chunky thing like this, and then we just add hot water to it, which I just boiled, and we're gonna froth it up. Also, I'm gonna link for you guys this mala that I made in collaboration with I Am Energy Collective. I use it every single day to do my affirmations. And basically you just count through the 108 beads and you do the affirmation 108 times. And it's an auspicious number that really helps to solidify the affirmation and bring it more like into existence. And this one is made with like 14 karat gold beads. We have amethyst, howlite, amazonite, jade, so many beautiful crystals, and they're all handmade. And then I infuse them with healing energy before I send them out. So they're all infused with my energy as well. So I've just been working away because Well Nourished opened today for enrollment, which I'm so excited about. Basically in Well Nourished, I teach you guys how to eat healthy, you know, how to make meals, how to formulate healthy meals, how to eat for gut health, non-toxic living. We do so much work, and I basically help you make it a sustainable lifestyle. We tackle issues like PMS, bloating, mindset, but also like why it's never stuck before. So we do the emotional stuff. It's really like an all-encompassing thing. I'll leave a link down below in case you guys need help with anything like gut, PMS, emotional, anxiety, depression, healthy eating, anything like that. It's the program for you. So I'll leave that down below, but I'm so excited because we already have a lot of people enrolled in the program, and it's going to be amazing for this round. Anyways, for dinner, I've been craving shrimp lately, so I thought I would do like shrimp asparagus with like lemon, garlic, butter, like ghee type situation, and then sweet potatoes, because I've also been really craving sweet potato with smoked paprika and Maldon salt. Guys, smoked paprika on sweet potato, if you have not tried, will change your life. Like if I were to talk about like the top things that changed my life cooking wise in 2020, it would be smoked paprika. Like smoked paprika is just like the bee's knees. Way better than regular paprika. Get yourself some smoked paprika, that with sweet potato, and then the shrimp with like asparagus, garlic, kind of like butter on the side. So we have protein, we've got veggies, and we have the yummy sweet potatoes. Oh, and before I forget, I always do ginger shots like every day. I try to do them almost every day. I'll leave my tutorial for my IGTV down below, but you basically just blend ginger with water and put it through a nut milk bag. Okay, so I have my organic shrimp, my sweet potato, and my asparagus. I'm gonna cook it all so I have a lunch tomorrow. But yeah, let's get cooking. So this is my finished dinner bowl. I have the shrimp asparagus with like lemon and garlic, and then the roasted sweet potatoes with paprika. I'm so excited to dig in. So I've just been on the phone with a friend for the last like 3 hours while I ate dinner and everything, but I had some chocolate I wanted to show you, kind of like as an after evening dessert type thing. Anyways, it's from Paris. I know that's not super helpful, but it's a French chocolatier. It is a rare cacao. It is so good, and it's almost done, which makes me really sad, but it was super delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day. I'm gonna leave my last what I ate in a day here on the screen, get lots more healthy recipe inspiration. I hope you guys try these recipes. Let me know how you like them. Tag me on Instagram so I can see and I can share them with everyone. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.